But yeah, I go by the name of Slave for Yourself, and that's exactly what I do. I slave for myself. I work hard for corporate, but I turn around and put the same amount of energy and time into my shit. Thank you guys for coming out. I don't know what else to say. It ain't no concept behind my work. I just sit behind my monitor and do shit. That's what I do. I put on some Dilla, some Sade, Fela, and just zone and spaz out. And shit, there it is, man. Africa is behind my shit. That's what I do. My main inspiration is Africa. So between Africa, Sade, and some Afrobeat disco funk, put the shit together and it comes out like this. That's about it. What's up? Alright, cool. Enjoy Bite Me Cheesecake and wine. Bite Me Cheesecake is the best cheesecake in New York City.
Yeah.
Alright, we gonna pass it on to TTK. Say something, brother. Say something to him.
Servers of the cheesecake.
Woo! Yo, thanks for coming out.
Mr. Russell Warren, shining.
Alright, good work. First, thanks everybody. Where ROPC at? No light.
We in the middle.
Word up.
You already know.
Yo, so me and Just connected together called the last 6 months of shit we done over the last 6 months. And you know, it's like he hit me up one morning, was like, yo, when we do something, ideas we had like over the last 6 months, just throw something together, more or less crazy ideas, and there's really no method to the madness. I just sat down and started painting and shit, man. So there you go. You know, I wish I could give you a deep story behind all this shit, but I can't. You know what I'm saying? In fact, I just did it like a couple nights before. So,
That's the name.
you know, it's in the back. You know, because I always like girls and stuff. You know, so I put them on jackets. So that's pretty much it. This young man right here has a question. What you got to say?
Good work. That works. Good work.